Hi viewers, welcome to The Punchliners, a funny and tricky way to solve the difficult things. Now, in today's video, what we will be covering NATO, and the punchlines of today will be to learn the member countries of NATO. So before we start with the punchlines, let's look at a brief on NATO. NATO, which is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. And do you want to know how many member countries are there? It's 28 member countries are there. And what is NATO? NATO is Intergovernmental Military Organization, which was formed on 4th of April 1949. And mark this as important question, where is the headquarters of NATO? It's Brussels, Belgium. So what's the punchlines of today? In today's punchlines, what we'll be doing? We will be providing you the tricks to learn all these 28 member countries. So let's start with the first punchline. Now there is a story behind the first punchline. There's a person named Bilal. बिलाल को कहा जा रहा है कि जो आइस टी है ना, आइस टी आती है, आइस टी आप सबको पता है, इट्स अ बिट एक्सपेंसिव. तो आइस टी का जो इस्तेमाल है वो स्लोली कर. मतलब बिलाल हैज बीन आस्क्ड टू यूज द आइस टी स्लोली. So confused? What's the punchline? Let's write it down. The punchline is Bilal ice tea का यूज स्लोली करो. तो दिस इज द पंच लाइन. बिलाल आइस टी का यूज स्लोली करो. सो लेट्स डिस्कस द मेंबर कंट्रीज. BEL stands for Belgium, L stands for Albania, ICE stands for Iceland, T stands for Turkey, K stands for Canada, US stands for, we all know, United States of America, SLO stands for Slovakia, and Slovenia. फ्रेम के नीचे किस इसको and SLO stands for Slovenia. So students, these are the countries. Let's discuss once again. The first country is Belgium, the second country is Albania, the third country is Iceland, the fourth country is Turkey, the fifth country is Canada, the sixth country is United States of America, the seventh country is Slovakia, and the eighth country is Slovenia. So this is the first part of the punchliners, which is Bilal ice tea ka use slowly karo. So now the second punchline. Now behind second punchline, my story is of Den Bull. Now Den Bull ने क्या करा? Den Bull ने स्पारू में जाकर हंगामा करा, और वो भी पोल पे चढ़ के. कैसे? Let's discuss in written. This is the punchline. Den Bull ने स्पा रूम में पोल पर हंगामा किया. So let's discuss the countries. Den stands for Denmark. Bul या Bull stands for Bulgaria. Ne या Ni stands for Netherlands. Spa stands for Spain. Rome stands for Romania. Pol stands for Poland, and Hung stands for Hungary. So students, these are the countries. We have discussed the first 8 countries in the part 1. Now in the second part we have covered Denmark, which is the 9th country, Bulgaria 10th, Netherlands 11th, Spain 12th, Romania 13th, Poland 14th, and Hungary 15th. So out of the 28 countries, we have covered the first 15 countries in the first 2 parts. We will be come back with the part 3rd and part 4th very soon. Till then, stay tuned. This was the Punchliners, and most importantly, do share your feedbacks and subscribe the Adda 247 YouTube channel. Thank you.